has deep roots in European history. Throughout the 20th century and into the present day, various movements and parties have used populist rhetoric and strategies to mobilize support. These movements often feature a sense of grievance against established elites and a rejection of traditional political parties and institutions. European populism is not a uniform phenomenon. It encompasses a wide range of ideologies from the far right to the far left. Some populist parties promote nationalist and anti-immigrant platforms, while others advocate for greater social justice and economic equality. What unites them is an emphasis on the people and their interests, often in opposition to what they perceive as a corrupt or distant elite. 20th century European populism. Examples. Following World War II, Europe experienced a wave of populist movements. In France, Pierre Pujadet led a movement of small business owners who felt threatened by economic modernization. In Italy, the Italian social movement and neo-fascist party gained support by tapping into popular discontent with the political establishment. The Cold War also shaped European populism. In Western Europe, populist movements often expressed anti-communist views and aligned with the United States. In Eastern Europe, such movements sometimes arose as resistance to Soviet control, emphasizing national identity and cultural tradition. The rise of the right-wing populism in the 21st century. The 21st century has seen a resurgence of right-wing populism in Europe. Parties such as National Front in France and Freedom Party of Austria have gained significant electoral support. These parties often promote nationalist and anti-immigrant platforms and capitalize on economic anxieties caused by globalization and austerity measures. They also tap into cultural anxieties about national identity and traditional values. The rise of left-wing populism in the 21st century. While right-wing populism has garnered significant attention, left-wing populism has also gained ground in Europe. Parties such as Podemos in Spain and Syriza in Greece have mobilized support by highlighting economic inequality, social justice, oppression, and political corruption. These parties often advocate for more government involvement in the economy and expanded social welfare programs. Populism's impact on European politics. Populist parties have disrupted traditional political systems and alliances throughout Europe. They have challenged the dominance of mainstream political parties, often forcing them to adopt more populist rhetoric and policies. They have also contributed to the fragmentation of the political landscape, which makes it more difficult to form stable governments and implement coherent policies. Populist parties have also influenced policy discussions in Europe. They have also advocated for increased social spending and more direct involvement of the people in decision-making. Populism's challenges and the future. Despite their electoral successes, populist parties face many challenges. They often struggle with the internal divisions due to diverse constituencies that represent with different priorities and ideologies. They also face challenges in governing as they often lack experience and expertise in policy making. One thing is clear: populism is a force that cannot be ignored. It is a reflection of deep-seated anxieties and frustrations in European society. It is a challenge to traditional political institutions and a call for greater popular participation in decision-making.